but we'll see. Yep, we'll see. So, I was thinking, maybe we could start. You know, Dan has a lab where he does all the stuff. Ugh, the words today. Maybe we could do something like that. Do, like, I don't know. We'll see. I do want to let you guys know something will be coming up. Something special. Something special. That's all I'm telling you, okay? Keep it a secret. Shh. Secret. Secret stuff. Okay? But something will be coming up. Something special. You guys will be helping me with it. I do have most of the ideas down, but so we'll see. Maybe something single player. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye!